max. I think it picks it up. Yeah, no problemo. No, see the dirt is in there. Oh, there's even that paper towel. Now, you shake. You see that? Nothing. Nothing. This is a P11 vacuum cleaner. It's supposed to be better than the Dyson. This is the manual, Q&A. You do get excellent warranty with these vacuums here. We're just really interested in how well this performs. It does have a little base station that you got a double adhesive, so you just attach it anywhere. This is a 22.2 volt, 15 watt vacuum cleaner. 2200 milliamp battery will last you about 27 minutes on a full charge, about 18 to 20 on max speed. To remove the battery, you press this, just pull it out. Charge it for about 4 hours. This is a hands-free shoot, and very similar to how the Dyson does it. You just press this little button when you're over a garbage or outdoor recycling bin, and it will just open up and then clean everything out. Now you can remove this. The HEPA filter is underneath here. I don't know what material this is, but it's not plastic and it's not paper. But the point is, you can go and wash this underwater, let it dry, and then put this on. This will further protect it from having the elements and the microbes come out. And then you just press this in, just insert it, and then just press it in. That's a nice solid seal. To clean the roller underneath, press the lock button and release it, and this will come out. And then you can clean this out. And also get in the habit of cleaning this area as well. And then once you're done, just insert it back in. Oh. Press this to release the tube if you want to swap it in from a crevice. This will fit in most crevices quite far. So you press this to pull it out, and this you have soft bristle. Man, I love this. Alternatively, of course, you'd add the extension tube. You can do this if you're shorter. If you want to take this longer, underneath here, there's a button. You press this, and it comes out another 10 inches or so. So this is for a normal individual. This does go almost perfectly level with the floor. So you can see it can go all the way in and can maneuver quite easily and then go under on an angle as well. So this is our stove. So let's see if it goes under about 3 inch, and you can see that that piece of plastic is blocking it, so we will not be able to go under. So now that you see how this all works, let's go put this to the test. We only charged the battery for an hour, but I wanted to do a test for you guys. So in the entrance, there's always dirt. And we're gonna do a couple different tests today with this vacuum. So stay tuned for the whole video. Turn it on. LED lights are on, so let's see how it picks it up. We're gonna go quick. The idea is to obviously vacuum fast, right? We're gonna see if this sucks it up. It is. So shake test. If you shake and no dirt comes out, that's pretty good. And we only got very minimal. Some dirt is being moved around. Now we're gonna go max mode. There we go. Oh yeah. Immediately what I noticed, it feels like the vacuum is actually sticking to the floor, and it seems quieter on a higher mode. Alright, so these are little pieces of cereal and whatnot, so I'm just gonna break them up. Before I continue, I want to show you another vacuum that we have. Now this is about 2-3 years old, and this looks very similar, right? I'm gonna put this side by side, right? So you can see that it's same height. The canister looks very similar. And this one does work, but I'm going to show you what it does, actually. Put it on max mode. I'm going to show you. See that? I actually have to slow down And then even when I do this, you see what happens? Look, when you shake it, it all falls out. Like, what the heck? It's all falling out. Look, it created more garbage just because I lifted it, right? So that's what you're trying to avoid. We're gonna go max. Right. Here, and here, full cereal. No, see the dirt is in there. Oh, there's even that paper towel. Now, you shake. You see that? Nothing. And this is the difference in double the price, basically. I don't know. These look great, but honestly, pay more money, and then you're not gonna have to re-clean. We're gonna just continue. It's not overly loud either. And this is the rug. Now this is a fluffy one. So here's some cookies. We're gonna break them up and see if it picks it up. I think it picked it up. Yeah, no problemo. Yep, they're in there. Perfect. Did you see that? So this actually pulled a bug from that corner when I was here. So it pulls about 3.5, 4 inches away from it. So with a couple of vacuum cleaners around the house, I just refused to pay the price of a Dyson. Parents had a Dyson, the battery died quite quickly, and then had to spend like 80 bucks replacing it. One thing to note about this particular P11 is that it does have strong suction. There is no spillover after you shake it, which is a huge plus. It's very light, and you can go quickly over messes. You don't have to go slowly because it's a cordless vacuum. For me, it seems to be obviously working, and it's better than the other one that I already showed you that it's not working. So between this and my robot vacuums, I'm quite happy. We're gonna go mount this upstairs because I like to have a vacuum upstairs, downstairs. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.